guys, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel, All Things Mandeme, and my name is Mandeme. Today I want to show you how I get full coverage makeup doing the underpainting strategy, and that means applying my concealers before I apply my foundation, and showing you the importance of doing that and how that can change your whole makeup game. Yes, some steps I won't be able to show you because I only want to focus on underpainting. I am just going to start with my concealer. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is an orange concealer. Is it orange? Yeah, almost orange concealer. It is to do the correcting, color correct. So what that means, it means if you have like dark eyes like here, I do have like, you know, I have some dark color there under my eyes. I have some pimples here, you know, those dark marks. Yes, so I am going to start first with applying this, and then I'm going to apply on top of that, I'm going to apply my liquid concealer. Yes, this one I got it from Signature. So with the concealer, you always go with the color that is brighter than your skin shade. This is the one I use. It's Toffee. So I'm gonna start first by using this. I just applied right there under my eye. Let me just clarify this. If you do not have this problem of darker areas, you don't need it. So not everybody needs it. Yeah. If I don't use this concealer, you'll see, like, maybe after I do my makeup and I think everything is fine, under my foundation you can still see those darker, that dark skin, it came through. I don't know how, but this orange concealer helps to hide forever. Like, you will never see those dark tone under my makeup. Next, I take my liquid concealer, Toffee, and just apply right on top of this orange concealer. Then I take my dark foundation. I don't have a liquid contour yet, so I'm just going to use this dark, what color is this? It's nutmeg. You can use any dark concealer. Just go over there on my forehead. So the purpose of underpainting is just to make sure that you do not, or it helps you not to put so much foundation. You will see after I blend everything, you'll see the amount of the foundation that I'm going to use. That is absolutely enough, not more than enough. So with the concealer, you have to wait a little bit just for it to, or you can fan it if you have a fan. I don't know where my fan is, you know, just air it out or just give it moments. Then you let it to be a little bit dry so that it can stick or it stay there. So if you immediately blend your concealer after you apply it, because it's liquid, it's watery, it's not gonna do its work. It's not going to do its work at all. So just give it a minute and then blend it out. Any brush works. You can use your beauty blender, a wet one, or damp beauty blender. Use that one, it will work for you. So yeah, I'm gonna use this brush. If it doesn't work, you'll see I'll switch it up. Yeah. So how do you blend? You do not sweep. If you want your makeup to give you full coverage, you dab. That's how you blend. Take your time as you blend. You are not rushing anywhere. Take your time to blend, because that's what will change your makeup. If you're rushing, then it's gonna give you different results. You'll start first blending the lighter shades of the concealer, so that when you are done blending the lighter shade, you can go to the darker shade, especially if you are using one brush. Alright, we're done with the lighter side. Now we are going to blend the contour on the darker concealer. Let me switch up. Make sure when you put your foundation or you apply your foundation on your forehead, do not put a lot of foundation, because where is it gonna go? Obviously you're going to push it towards your hairline, so you don't want to mess your hairline so much and cream it so much with foundation. So always put less or simple. Less goes a long way. Yeah, goes a long. Now that you've blended everything, we are going to now go with our extra cover foundation. I also got it from Signature, but you can use any foundation that you have, really. Here's my brush. I could have used this other one, but you are not gonna see the amount of foundation that I'm going to apply. So I'm gonna use my foundation brush, and I just press or pump a little bit of foundation. Another one, 2 pumps. Right, yeah, here we have it. And now we are applying foundation the whole area. Let us blend. So as you can see, I'm now using or taking the foundation that I've put here, I'm just taking it up a little bit towards my concealers so it can cover up properly. There was no need for me to add more foundation, as you can see. Do you realize that on my forehead I did not, or I still don't need to put foundation there? I just take my brush and I just go over. So this is how the foundation came out. So this is how the foundation came out. As you can see, it has covered everything. You don't see those black spots. Do you see them? No, you don't. And my eye is still snatched here. Everything is fine. So guys, you do not need a lot of foundation. Once you master this whole thing of underpainting or sculpting your face before you put foundation, you will see that everything about your makeup will change, and it gives you the natural outcome. So this is how you do the underpainting. Then I obviously take my contour brush. You can see it's angled contour brush. I just tap small and I go in to contour. With makeup, guys, you can absolutely do whatever that you want to do. It's an art. Makeup is art. So if you feel like doing something a certain way, you are welcome. This is not like a must do. It's just tips on how to get full coverage without putting too much product or creams on your face. I then go up on my forehead there just to contour my forehead a little bit and to push it just next to my hairline, you know, so that you don't have like your light skinned here next to your hair and then you have that dark powder here, you know. That's why you have to push it in a little bit, you know. Yeah. I then take my brush, the foundation brush I was using, to blend everything together so that I don't have harsh lines, you know. Yeah. So let's blend our contour. You set your makeup. You can even use baby powder. Did I tell you that? Yeah, you can use your baby powder because it doesn't have color and it smells good and it's cheap and it's not harmful to your skin. Unless you are allergic to baby powder, obviously you won't use it. So to set makeup, it's very important you are removing the shininess of everything, of the foundations, concealers. They are shining too much. So using your setting powder will matte everything. Hello? Okay, I'm coming. Received a knock on the door. It was my son. He obviously wants to breastfeed. So because load shedding is coming, I am going to continue with him. You can see his head is there. But I have to finish this content. I have to. So guys, this is how my makeup came out. So this is the end of my makeup. Yes, you can see. Comment below and tell me if you would try this.